Hi everyone, Daniel here, Share the Gift Music. Today we are going to talk about the circle of fifths. If you don't know how to find a fifth, then go check out my video on major scales and do a little homework and come back. But if you do know how to find a fifth, then I'll see you over at your piano. Okay, so if you don't know what the circle of fifths is, it's a tool, and it looks like this. It shows you the relationship between the 12 tones, their key signatures, and it also gives you the major and minor keys. Best way to explain it is for each key signature, it tells you what key you're in, which major key you're in, or possibly which minor key you're in. And a key tells you which set of notes you use in that particular song. I'd like to point out a couple problems I have with the circle of fifths. One is you don't know where it starts. Or where it ends. That's the purpose of a circle, but what is three sharps on here? So for me, I'm going to use a different method um, that's a tangent off the circle of fifths. And I like to think of the circle as a straight line. Thinking of it in a straight line is going to be a lot easier. Let's begin with C. Okay, so I always like to start in C. I've been doing it on all our videos so far. It's a great reference point, easy to find. So let's start on C. Okay, here's my middle C. Okay, and we're gonna think everything that's sharp of C is obviously gonna be higher. Okay, so moving to the right, those are gonna be all our keys represented by sharps. And then starting from C, moving to the left, all the notes we land on are going to represent our keys in our flats. So using circle of fifths or using fifths, okay, so here you're going to need to know what a fifth is from C, okay, in the major scale. So from C, a fifth up would be G. Okay, so that's one sharp. Okay, so anytime you see one sharp, you are now in the key of G. Okay, now if you jump up twice from C, so a fifth up from C is G, and a fifth up from G is D. Okay, so now you've jumped up twice from C. Now you have two sharps, which is the key of D, because we landed on D. Okay, and this continues on till you get up to 7 sharps. So a fifth up from D is A. Okay. There you got 3 jumps up from C. 1, 2, 3. So 3 sharps is the key of A. Okay. So that is a circle of fifths. Looking at it in a straight line. And those were our first 3 sharps. And the opposite is true moving to the left for our flats. Okay, so since it's flat, we're moving lower in the register. Okay, so jumping down a fifth from C, we're going to land on F. We're going to jump one time, one flat. Okay, so one flat is the key of F. From F, we're going to jump down a fifth. So that's 2 jumps, 2 flats from middle C. And here we have the key of B flat. Jumping down 3 times from C, a fifth again from B flat, we have the key of E flat, which is 3 flats. And then that will continue. Of course, you're going to run out of space on the piano, but the theory continues. And there you will be able to find all your flat keys, or keys that are represented by flats. Alright everyone, there you go, circle of fifths, explained just a little bit differently. I feel like when you're actually looking at the circle of fifths in a circular form, you're still kind of just memorizing all the information on there. Whereas if you can just picture a piano and start on C, jump up a fifth, 6 times, there you go, there's your key signature for 6 sharps. And if you jump down 2 flats, B flat, there you go. There you got you now you have your key signature for 2 flats. You try to do that with circle of fifths in your head, a lot of memorizing. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in my comments. And if you like what you hear, please subscribe. I'll be posting up a lot more videos on music theory and a few songs really soon. I'll see you next time. Bye.